Hey, ain't you kind of boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. What's going on with the KOYOTEPACK? What's good? What's good? What's going down? You know what I'm saying? Your boy back like he never left. But anyway, if you know, stand back. Let us show you how to do it. Oh! Y'all already know what it is. Y'all know who it is. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KT, man. Y'all back on the channel. If you're new, please do your boy solid. Like, subscribe, comment. You know what I'm saying? That way I can just keep dropping these helpful bangers for you guys. You know what I'm saying? As I go through stuff, or other people go through stuff, and I help them out with fixing it. And you know what I'm saying? You know, we do a little bit of that Mexico run. You know, I'm gonna try to get back into that. But anyway, you see here, I have Rain GT, and basically, if y'all see the thumbnail, I have a P0357 code. Which, matter of fact, let me show you, because I have my scanner on in the car already. Right here, P0357 ignition coil G primary secondary circuit. Okay, so if you're having this is for you. All right, so basically what that means is, depending on the fine order and how your engine is set up, like on mine's for the Ford, you have, this is an 8-cylinder, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing, just like the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and so basically, if you count in order, G would be number 7 right here, the number 7 core pack. Okay, so now let's go over symptoms. So the symptoms would be the car driving like crap. You know what I'm saying? My car spat, it sputters, you know what I'm saying? It almost drives like it has like bad gas in it, and it just be misfiring whether I'm driving or just sitting still. You just hear blue, blue. It's not a consistent drive where it's just smooth. So if you're having that problem, that's why. Those are the symptoms. Just like a bad misfire, drives like crap, like it has bad gas in it. Now, the problems. You have one. The main one is the coil packs. 2, it can be your spark plug. 3, when you start getting into the heavier dose of things, it can be your wiring, like your wiring leading up to the actual coil pack. You have like a break in your wire or shortage. And worst case, it can be your computer, which I hope that doesn't happen to nobody, because you'll have to replace your ECM, and that's expensive because you got to program it. So I know mine's is the core pack. You know what I'm saying? The reason why, and you can also do this too. If you want to check to see if it's your core pack, and unless you know how to check the continuity, you can have a tester and check the continuity in between the core pack. Make sure you're getting a good flow. If you don't know how to do that, best thing to do is, let's say if this one was messed up, just switch this one, which is number 5. You can switch with number 6, and then see if the code changes to another cylinder. That's the easiest way to do it. And not just that, if you think it's the spark plug, you can change the spark plug with another cylinder, and if it changes, then that's your problem. And like I said, I did mine before, so I know it's the core pack. So I'm just about to do a full tune-up, that way I can just keep up with the service on everything. So I'm about to get these core packs out, switch everything around with new items all the way around, clear the code, and see if it drives a lot better. Alright, you guys, this is the spark plug out of number 5. And look at it. It look old new, don't it? Bottom look like it's didn't seen World War III top. Like it was born last year. Kind of rusted too though. But yeah. Also, if you are doing a spark plug change, make sure that you know your correct gap. Whether if the car is stock or if it's tuned, make sure you have the correct gap. So what I would do is just mimic the gap that you have on the spark plug you took out, as long as it's not smashed at the tip. Like, as long as you have a good electrode at the bottom and it's not all dented in or broke or smashed in, just go off the old gap that you have in the car or the spark plug you took out. Check your boy out. Got the fresh red and black coil packs. These mugs are nice, from Ultra Power. You know what I'm saying? These are some racing coil packs. Got a better heat range and also a better current range, you know, for more spark, and it lasts longer. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, you guys, so I have all the spark plugs in right here, along with the coils, brand new coils going all the way down both sides. Also, I took the liberty, went on, changed my oil too. I mean, you know, hey, why not? You know, kind of do like a first tune-up all the way together. Plus, it was needed to be done anyway. So now, I'm about to go in the car, show you guys me deleting the code, and see if the code comes right back on the initial startup, and as well as putting a few miles on it, because sometimes, depending on the type of check engine light code that comes on, sometimes even if you delete it, sometimes if it's bad, it'll come right back. And also if you put like maybe up to like 10 miles or 50 miles, just depending on, like I said, the code, it'll come right back. As far as my code, when I deleted it, it came right back maybe about within 5 miles. So I'm gonna check to see if it comes back after I delete it, and then I'm gonna do about 5 miles to see if it comes back on. And also you'll be able to kind of tell too, because like I said, my car was sputtering real bad. Sounded like it had bad gas in it. Sounded like it needed a tune-up. Sounded like it had a big misfire. So we'll kind of get an indication on the startup as well. All right, you guys. So I know it kind of got like a little glare on it, but there it is, P0357. So I'm about to delete it. I'm gonna hit the erase. It's gonna say, "Are you sure?" I'm gonna push delete again to be sure. Now it's resetting the codes, and then we're about to see if it comes right back. And if it doesn't, see, boom, it's green. So which means that, hey, there's nothing in the computer, there's no DTC codes. But I'm gonna put a few miles on it just to check to be sure. But usually when you delete codes, if it's probably still something maybe there, it'll be yellow. And then it'll go through the reading the cycle of the engine parameters, and then it's either gonna stay yellow and go to red, or maybe it'll just stay yellow until it figures out what it wants to do before it goes green if everything's okay. So now I'm about to start the car up, see how it runs, and then we're gonna kind of put a few miles on it and see. All right, you guys, so I have the car on right now. Sounds a lot more crispier. It's not spurting as I try to step on the gas and accelerate. At first, it'd be like a little raspy sound, like it almost was stuttering and wanted to shut off. This car does have a high energy cam on it, so it does have a little rumble to it. But other than that, the accelerator, once I step on the gas, is giving it immediate throttle. Let you guys hear the exhaust. That's how it's supposed to sound. At first it was popping like black, 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 black. That's not what you want. That's a misfire. This car, like I said, has a high energy cam in it, so it has a little rumble to it. Let's check the hood. Under the hood. Make sure there ain't no gas or nothing leaking, because you know you have to loosen up each end of the fuel rail to kind of get some room to kind of pull the core packs out. I don't see no fuel leaking on either side. Don't smell no fuel, don't see no fuel. So now it's time for the test drive. All right, you guys, so I'm in the car. I just pulled out on the main road. I'm in third gear right now. It's actually shifting pretty good, man. At first, it would like stutter down before I shift. And even after I shift to go into the next gear, it would have to almost like pull itself together just to ride. So definitely don't feel the stuttering problem off the rip. It is driving smooth. I'm in a stick, so you know, bear with me when shifting. But now I'm in third, I'm about to go to fourth, and just watch how it cleans and shifts into the next gear. Just smooth. I wasn't getting none of that at first. Also, I'm gonna pull over here in a second just to check the computer. I'm gonna do about 5 miles or so and check the computer and see if I have any codes that pop back up. And I should maybe have one, but it doesn't have nothing to really do with this at all. But like I say, I'll explain it once I pull over and see if there's anything that pops up. All right, you guys, so I'm pulled over right now. The scanner did go back yellow, but this is a different code. This is a P1151. It has nothing to do with the P0357. This is what's a lack of HO2S21 switches. Basically, this is just my O2 sensors not being able to heat up because I don't have catalytic converters. So if you don't have any cats and you don't tune the car, then your O2 sensors won't heat up, and then this code will come on, but it doesn't do anything major, nothing like that. So it also says what, 1 of 1 as far as the codes, so there is no other codes in the system. So if I go to DTC, it doesn't pull up nothing else. So you guys, everything is smooth. The car's still running great. I'm gonna see if I can give y'all a little first to third pull, just so you can see how crispy it sounds. And then that'll be the end of the video. Like I said, this P1151 doesn't have nothing to do with the P0357. I just did about 15 miles now, nothing came back up. So your boy did his thing. So let me give y'all a little pull. First gear. Crispy, man. Crispy. I guess I can go to fourth. Crispy. No stuttering. No gargling. No over popping, no lack of power. So you guys, your boy did his thing. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video, man. Hope this helps somebody out. Make sure you go through the proper steps like I told you before in the video. You know, if you want to find out if it's your core pack, make sure that you switch it with another core pack. If you think it's a spark plug, switch it with another spark plug. Other than that, hopefully you don't have no shortage in your wiring or a bad ECM. So go through the coil and the spark plug steps first, and I promise you that should help you out. But you guys, that's the end of the video. Oh! Hey, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. It's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.